On a typical summer's day, the sky immediately above the horizon has a soft blue-purple color. I'm using a mixture of titanium white, king's blue light and violet gray, which will gradually fade to a blue with a hint of green higher up in the sky. By adding a little Scheveningen blue light, a greenish blue, I slowly make the transition from purple to blue. I make sure that this new color has the same tonal value as the purple blue. That is, the color is just as light. If you took a black and white photo, you wouldn't be able to tell the difference. With this method, you can easily create a smooth transition from one color to another. The problem with painting summer clouds is that you cannot depend on the contrast between light and dark colors. The solution lies in the use of a different color contrast, namely that between warm and cold colors. Blue is a cold color, and yellow, red and orange are warm colors. If you put them next to each other, the result is pretty powerful. That's why in these cases I always add a good dot of a warm color to the mix. Here I've added vermilion red to a violet gray titanium white mix. In a later stage, when painting the highlights of the clouds, I'll continue adding more warm colors. I'm doing the highlights of the clouds with a mix of titanium white, brilliant yellow and vermilion red. As you can see, this color is warmer than the underpainting of the clouds. Step by step, I'm increasing the warm-cold contrast between the sky and the clouds. I'm doing the shadows of the clouds with a mix of king's blue light, violet gray and titanium white. Thanks to the violet gray, it's still a warm color compared to the blue of the sky. You can often observe how the shadows of summer clouds are only a tad darker than the sky. They differ in color, but they have almost the same tonal value. This ensures that the clouds get soft and fluffy instead of becoming isolated shapes. Finally, I want to share a last crucial color trick which I often use in bright light situations like this. With a double zero brush, I paint a thin outline of magenta, mixed with a good deal of titanium white and a liquid light gel. For some reason, this mixture is a very effective way to paint the edges of this type of clouds. If you keep this in the back of your mind when painting summer clouds, you'll see that it's much easier to keep it light.